Replace the imaging drum on the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise MFP8801 printer series. If you receive a message on the control panel to replace the imaging drum, follow these steps to replace it. Power off the printer. Open the front access door. Push in on the two tabs to release the toner collection duct unit. Pull the toner collection duct unit to remove it from the printer. Turn the imaging drum lever down to unlock the drum. Grasp the handle of the imaging drum and pull it out from the printer. Remove the brush dust stick. Using a vacuum, clean the brush dust stick. Once it is clean, reinsert the brush dust stick. Remove the imaging drum from the box. Remove the orange protective shield from the imaging drum. Caution: do not touch the green roller on the imaging drum. Fingerprints on this surface can cause print quality issues. Hold the imaging drum handle with one hand, and with the other hand, support the imaging drum from underneath. Align the imaging drum with its slot and insert it into the printer. Turn the locking lever up until it clicks to lock the imaging drum in place. Insert the toner collection duct unit so that it clicks into place. Close the front access door. To recycle the used imaging drum, go to hp.com/recycle to learn how.